Have you ever wondered what a city run by robots would look like? I mean, really. Well, what if I told you that city actually exists, and its one and only purpose is to create thousands of perfectly decorated, delicious cakes every single day? So yeah, let's dive into this incredible world where cutting-edge technology and sweetness meet on a truly massive scale. Just look at that number, 10,000. That's the maximum number of cakes this automated city can produce in a single day. The scale is almost hard to wrap your head around, and it's all made possible by like an orchestra of machines working in perfect, relentless harmony.
And honestly, that's the perfect way to think about what we're looking at today. We're basically stepping into a miniature sweet cake city, a place where conveyor belts are the highways and these robotic arms are the skilled citizens, all working together for one delicious goal. So go ahead and grab your virtual hard hat. Our journey into the heart of this automated bakery, well, it starts right now. You know, every great city is built on a foundation of law and order. In our cake city, that foundation is absolute, uncompromising hygiene. Because when you're producing on this scale, beauty doesn't mean a thing without safety. So before a single ingredient is even touched, a super strict code of cleanliness is enforced. What's really crucial here is that this whole process starts with people. Every baker has to go through a rigorous hand-washing protocol before they even think about putting on special protective gloves. It's totally non-negotiable. And that exact same standard applies to the ingredients. Only the freshest, highest quality flour, eggs, and sugar get the green light to enter the production line. Purity is everything. Okay, now let's move into the industrial heart of our city. This is where all those raw materials are transformed, where the magic of chemistry and technology combine to create the very soul of the cake. And this is just a perfect example of that efficiency in action. I mean, forget cracking eggs one by one. Here, you've got high-speed machines doing it with a precision that's almost impossible for a human to replicate, freeing the eggs from their shells in the blink of an eye. And this isn't just about being fast, it's about eliminating any chance of error and ensuring total consistency in every single batch. From there, it's on to the next big step. Those perfectly cracked eggs, along with carefully measured flour and sugar, all flow into these massive mixing machines. This is the kneading process, where technology creates a perfectly smooth, soft batter, the identical foundation for every single one of the thousands of cakes to come. And now, we get to meet the stars of the show, the most skilled residents of our cake city, the robotic artisans. Don't think of them as cold and feeling machines. No, think of them as tireless artists with flawless precision and just incredible endurance. See, a human baker brings passion, artistry, and years of experience. A robotic artisan, on the other hand, brings something different, but equally amazing: flawless precision at incredible speeds, and the ability to work 24/7 without ever getting tired. It's not about replacement, it's about a perfect partnership between human creativity and machine efficiency. And just look at what these artisans can do. First, a perfectly smooth base of frosting is applied, like an even canvas for what's next. Then, a rich layer of decadent ganache. They can pipe these intricate designs that would rival any master baker, and even shape entire cakes into hearts, stars, or animals. The truly incredible part? They do all of this flawlessly while the cakes are zipping by on a high-speed conveyor belt. But this is what truly blows me away. These robots can write. Not with some pre-printed stamp, but with the fluid motion and care of a human hand. They can actually pipe happy birthday or any other personal message with unbelievable precision. And this really gets to the heart of it all. Because of this technology, a mass-produced cake doesn't have to feel impersonal. That handwritten touch makes sure the cake is filled with the love and thoughtfulness of the person who sent it. It's technology serving human emotion. Of course, beauty is nothing without taste, right? So let's explore the city's diverse and vibrant palette. This isn't some one-flavor town. It's a whole symphony of flavors designed to cater to every craving you could possibly imagine.
And wow, what a lineup it is. For the traditionalists out there, you've got classic melt-in-your-mouth chocolate and rich, creamy cheesecake. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, they offer a refreshing matcha green tea or a zesty lemon that just cuts right through the sweetness. And for the fruit lovers, you have everything from a sweet tart blueberry to luscious strawberry. This isn't just a list, it's a carefully curated universe of taste.
It really makes you think, doesn't it? After seeing all those options, What flavor would you pick for your next celebration? A classic chocolate? Or maybe something a little more adventurous like matcha? So we've seen how these cakes are built, decorated, and flavored with this incredible variety, but how do they get from this automated city to your actual celebration? Well, that's the final step, delivering daily delight. And the artistry doesn't stop. The final touches are just as important. You've got robotic arms placing delicate macarons in perfect spirals, or arranging slices of ripe banana and plump blueberries to create a cake that is as stunning to look at as it is to eat. And that really brings it all together, doesn't it? The factory is like a super chef, and the conveyor belts are its roads, carrying these meticulously crafted packages of joy out into the world, ready for birthdays, anniversaries, and all kinds of celebrations. You know, all of this brings us to one final fascinating question. After seeing the precision, the artistry, and those personal touches, can a cake made almost entirely by machine truly be a work of